Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be seeing my dad's racing cars that he had as a kid. So let's just see. I'll just get my stand. I hope you can see it properly, but they flip around. So let's just get going. So I let my sister have the other half of the car. So here's a fancy car right here. This door, the door can open and close. It's crazy how the box is still not dirty. It's not super dirty. It's crazy, isn't it? Here's a look on the cars. Yep. We have a piece of a truck, which is right here. Gonna put that. It easily detaches, probably because it's old. Alright, there. It's touched. Here's a look. Alright, now let's get back to the other ones. And remember, these are old. Here's a motorbike. It is black and white. It's nice detail on the wheels. See? And a nice stand. See it standing up? Alright, so it can just, so it has its own stand. Guys, let's just keep, see? Alright, here's another car. It's kind of like a racing car. So, see? And let's get another car, guys. I like this car because I go for Ferrari and F1, and this is red and it's like Ferrari. See that yellow on it? That's like Ferrari. But these are old cars. And here's another car. This is a car that you can make look like it crashed. But it's broken. It just stuck as the crash one. If you want to keep it like it's fixed, then you have to hold it, which is annoying. But I'll keep it like that. So here's another car. My dad does have a sunroof, which is his new car. See? Sunroof. Isn't that cool? And this looks like it looks like this is a Porsche, guys. A Porsche. And here's a car that I think is like the 1910s. It looks like it's a very old car, but it's definitely, this toy car was probably made in the 1980s. But in real life, but the real car would probably be in the 1910s, because this looks pretty old. Here's another car. It's kind of like a racing car. It's all black, except for that white word. Here's a yellow car, like Bumblebee. And here's our last car. Get out. this is one of my favorites because it has black and red. I love the color black and red. Here's the bottom. You can't open the doors. Oh, I forgot about the Porsche. You can actually open the doors on the Porsche. Isn't that cool, guys? I don't know. So these are pretty cool, and look, see, the wheels do move on the motorbike. All the wheels move. They're just toy cars that are old that my dad used to have, and yeah, that's all the cars that I have except the one that Harper has, but she decided to have some, so I let her. Alright, and actually there's a word on this. It says Firebird. Yep, that's what it says, guys. So I don't think there's any more, but here's a bonus one. It's my Hot Wheels. Let me just get them. They're getting placed on. Some of them are not Hot Wheels. Some of them are, but most are Hot Wheels. Alright, so here's one. It's a Hot Wheel. See? Remember, this is a bonus to make the video longer, so yeah. Here's another car. None of my other cars can open their doors except my dad's old cars that he had as a kid. And this looks like the 1950s F1 car, doesn't it, guys? That's just a Hot Wheel. I think a kid gave this to me. Oh, I forgot about my others. Let me just get them, guys. Alright, I got them. Here's one. Ah, damn it. Here's one that looks like a Lamborghini to me. Here's a red one that it has a motorbike guy. And see, it's weird that it's a motorbike guy in a car. And I think the same kid also gave this to me. And here's another car. This might be a Lamborghini, guys. And here's a police car. Police. It's hard to see because the letters are dark on there. And here's the last two. This one is Hot Wheels. That police one was Hot Wheels. See? It's a nice gold. It's a fat car. Big wheels. And here's the last one. I think my dad might have got this in a different country. I don't know. Well, that's all the cars. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day. Peace out. Bye.